Hi, and welcome to Monthly Market Analysis with Abbie Shepard. We are here not in the office, we're in a remote location today. We've got some great news. Our Keller Williams Buckhead office is moving from where we currently are to a standalone building on the corner of Habersham and Roswell Road. It's a great, beautiful building, lots of windows. So we're very excited about that. I didn't want that to be an excuse to not bring you the stats, so here we've got some first quarter stats for you. Great news. We're watching price continue to rise. Median price is up now 42% from where we were in first quarter of 2012. Yes, that's correct. That's a huge increase. We continue to see it hot. And I love showing this one, supply versus demand and what it does to price. You've got the orange line, price. Watch it going up, up, up as the yellow line supply continues to decline. The green line here representing the transition between a seller's and a buyer's market. So we're in an extreme seller's market right now. It's great news for anyone wanting to sell. And some people are still interested, of course, in distressed property. Foreclosures, short sales are down to 36.9%, meaning of all the transactions, 37% of them were foreclosures or short sales, which is actually a decline. That is a great number. We're excited about that. And I'd like to show this one too in terms of different timelines. We've been tracking these numbers for several years, and we are back up now to 2003 pricing. So that's great. Some people call me, they say, oh, I don't know if I should sell. I was underwater. I bought in 2006. Am I still underwater? So this is the chart we look at. If we continue on the trend and continue to increase like we have been, certainly soon enough we'll be back up to those 2006 prices. And of course, we're still a little under, as 37% are still distressed property sales, but it is great news for people out there. So please call me if you ever have any questions about that. This is very important too, pricing. We work with a lot of sellers, and we continue to see pricing homes right and positioning them correctly on the market is very, very important. If we look here in terms of asking price and sale price, pricing a home right, you'll get 98.7% of asking price. Compared to pricing incorrectly, you're looking at about 85% of asking price. Now, that's a huge percentage point difference there. And also, it's worth noting that we continue to watch this 97% of asking price is what we were getting year after year after year. So we've seen a 1.7% increase in sale to asking price, which is a huge jump. Nearly 2 points increase. So that's great news. And look at this, it takes 24 days on the market if you price right, compared to 179 if you miss that positioning. So that's also very important to see. It could cost you 6 months if you get the price wrong, and also some money. So that's not good. You definitely want to consult with a professional when you're thinking about selling your house. Let me tell you a quick story. We had a house we looked at considering pricing it between $3 and $325, and we thought, you know, we need to really price this at aggressive $300,000, create some energy, a nice bidding war, and get that price up to where it needs to be, because we're just kind of pushing it at $325. We knew if we were at $325, we would hear objection over objection, need to renovate the kitchen, this, that, and the other. And then we'd be there 6 months later and end up taking a hit for being a stale listing on the market. So we decided to price that home at $300. We sold that home for $320 in 3 days. So that sort of tactic is something that you need to consult with a real estate agent about. Please call me if you're considering selling. I'd love to help you out and give you some good advice and work that property for you according to today's market. Also, it's worth noting 25% of homes are selling at or above asking price. 1 out of every 4 homes. Can you believe that? That just goes to show you the market is what it is. And I always get questions about financing, cash, that sort of thing. It's worth noting, I think this is an interesting graph, 25% of homes were cash transactions. 34% of homes were cash transactions, 25% were cash transactions over $1 million. So I think that's important as we're talking about what's the future in financing and where are we going, to know that there is a lot of money out there. That's a healthy statistic for our economy, for our real estate market in Atlanta. So as we continue to watch this real estate market increase and hot, please give me a call. Rates are still low. Buyers are paying more for the houses today. Please give me a call. I'd love to consult with you on selling the property or buying a property. Abbie Shepard, Keller Williams, 404-275-5561. Enjoy your day.